Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, we are gonna paint dancing Warlis on canvas using a very simple technique and it will look mesmerizing at the end. I have also done a video of pot painting inspired by this art where I have also shared some information about Warli art. Warli painting is a tribal art done by Adivasis living in mountainous as well as coastal areas of Maharashtra-Gujarat border and surrounding areas. In this art, various human activities are depicted using some geometrical shapes like circle, triangle, etc., which were inspired from nature, like circle from sun and moon and triangle from mountains. So let's get started with this video. I am taking a square canvas for this painting and started painting from center with yellow paint first, and then I'll go on with other shades of paint. I'm intentionally not going to paint these colors forming a perfect circle here, instead painting it randomly to get the interesting colorful background. You can choose any color you like to paint the background, just don't choose any dark shades cause then our black dancing Warlis won't highlight on that. Let the background dry completely and then we'll start drawing Warlis. Lightly sketch the design so that the pencil marks does not remain visible after painting and also it can be erased if necessary. After drawing this inward circle, I am making dot at the gap of around 1 cm here. Now we are all set to draw dancing Warlis. Start by making two triangles like this connecting at this dot, a circle for head, legs like this, and draw the next one in the same way. Now draw their hands connecting to each other like this, which will eventually form like dancing in circle kind of a pattern. Repeat this process until you draw Warli on all the dots. Do not worry about all the Warlis being of exactly same size or symmetrical because it will look anyway very pretty. It will look something like this till now. Looks little bit messy at this point, but trust me, after filling in the paint, it will definitely look spectacular. Now the painting process is very straightforward. I'm just using black acrylic paint and small size round brush to do so. Just 3 things I would like to share with you guys that first, try to make the Warli as opaque as you want at one go by taking the paint on the tip of brush frequently so that you don't have to do another coat as it does take quite a lot of time. Secondly, paint the hand after painting the triangles of the Warlis so that the hand connect on the exact areas of triangle meeting. Otherwise, the effect of dancing Warlis might not come as expected. And lastly, it's pretty obvious, but start painting from the inner side of the circle rather than from the outer side so that you don't smudge the outer side while painting the inner side. Okay? Now play some relaxing music in the background and enjoy painting this Warlis while I had some beautiful live music going on. So I have finally made it to the end. It took me around 1.5 hours to do so. I really enjoyed it, obviously with that amazing music playing in the background. And with that, we are done with our dancing WARLI painting. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you do, share it with your friends and family, and let's spread this wonderful ancient Indian art globally. And yeah, do subscribe and click that bell icon nearby cause more ancient Indian art inspired DIYs are going to come soon on this channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.